Defining relative clauses give essential information about a noun with no commas. These clauses help identify exactly which person or thing we mean. Without them, the sentence meaning changes completely. Essential relative clauses provide identifying information needed to understand which noun we discuss. No commas separate them from the main sentence. They carry necessary meaning for the sentence. Consider this example. The book that I read yesterday was amazing. The clause that I read yesterday identifies which specific book. Without this information, we do not know which book. Now compare with non-essential. My brother who lives in London is a doctor. Commas surround who lives in London because this adds extra information. The sentence still makes sense without it. Essential clauses use who, which, or that pronouns. They provide identifying details about the noun. Never use commas with essential clauses because they carry vital information. The student who studies hard will succeed identifies a specific student. The car which I bought is reliable tells us exactly which car. Both clauses give necessary identifying details. Non-essential clauses add extra details. Paris, which is in France, is beautiful uses commas because everyone knows Paris location. My teacher, who is very kind, helps us adds optional description. Remember, essential clauses need no commas because they identify the noun. Non-essential clauses use commas for extra information. Test by removing the clause. If meaning changes, it is essential.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.